Hey guys, here's Hadris with WTI, and I want to show you these beautiful glasses for this summer.
I think they are the cutest I ever seen. I love their hair shape, it makes them unique and super cool. I also like that they are like transparent brown, so they look good in that color. I have the idea of buying a lot of them for a party with friends and taking many pictures. It will be a good option to enjoy and have nice memories. I like to wear them a lot on my head and hold my hair with them. I feel that depending on the day, they look better up or down on my eyes. I also really like that they are not super dark. I can see everything around me well, just with a tone more like sunset because of that light brown color they have. The truth is, I use them a lot, and whenever I go to the beach, they are my go to option.
And that's my point of view.